Look at this diagram. We have a quarter circle with length QP is x, and this horizontal line with two segment, and this segment is 4, and this segment is 1. We have to find out the value of x. Now let's analyze this figure. This entire horizontal line OT is divided into two segments, and this segment is 4, and this segment, let's say this NT is 1. So this horizontal line OT is 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. And you can see that this bottom horizontal line OT is the radius of this quarter circle. So the R radius of this quarter circle is 5. Now let's join this OP line. And this OP line starts from O and reaches to the point P. And this OP is the radius of this quarter circle. So we have a right angle triangle here, OPN. If we use the Pythagorean theorem here, we can write that ON squared plus PN squared is equals to OP squared. And we have this OP is the radius, so this is 5 square. So let's say this PN is A, or you can write that ON, which is given 4 square plus A squared is equals to 25, or 16 plus A squared is equals to 25. And let's subtract 16 from the both side. We have now A squared is equals to 25 minus 16, which is equals to 9. So therefore A is equals to root over of 9 is equals to 3. So we have this length 3. Now this vertical length PN is 3. Now draw a perpendicular line. Let's say this PS. So this PS is equals to the 4. This is 4. Now look at this triangle QSP. QSP by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can write that QS squared plus SP squared is equals to QP squared, and which is equals to the x, and this is x squared. Now if we look into this figure, we can see that QS is the difference between the radius R and this vertical length 3. So this QS is equals to 5 minus this 3 is equals to 2. Now let's write here QS is equals to QO minus SO, which is equals to QO is the radius R minus SO, which is equals to this vertical line PN, and this is equals to R minus 3, or you can write this R is 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So we have this QS is 2. So now QS is equals to 2 squared plus SP, which is 4 squared, is equals to x squared. So by simplifying, we can write x squared is equals to 4 squared is 16 plus 2 squared is 4, which is equals to 20. By taking square root both sides, we can write x is equals to root of 20, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 2 root 5. So this is our answer, that x is equals to 2 root 5.